There it is. We got Chris going for the bird in the thicket. See, is he gonna go over? Oh.
Weak ass footage there, Lex, but I had no other choice.
You gotta love it. He's in the clear, folks. Up by the bridge. Hey, you're on the other side of the bank. Where we at, Finney?
Right there, brother. Already through.
Oh my goodness, I made it across.
So you got the bird here.
Here, let's see if I can miss this shot. Here you go, Finney.
You still on?
Video on. Still on.
Lexington Ford up to bat here. You heard the man, the pressure's on him. Oh, he made it. Bird shot. He wins the game.
About time I hit a bird.
Good shot, Lex.
Thank you.